Hello friends, good evening. Today we are learning new letter. That's letter F. F letter makes sound right one is capital F and the left one is small f. Both make sound. Do you want to go to beach? I also like to go to beach now. Be ready to hear the story. Have you even gone to the beach, friends? In the beach there is water, there is sand. We can enjoy a lot with the water and sand. Can you see one girl and two boys in the picture? The girl name is Freda. And the boy's name is Fal and Fabio. Do you see, friends? Freda has a new hat, and on that hat she has flowers, and she have bucket, spade to play with sand. Freda also have a big fish, and if the fish don't have hole and the fish air go out, then we can blow, then the fish again can be big, and if hole come in it, then we can't blow, then fish can't be big. At first, children play with water with the floating fish. Freda and her friends decide to build a sand castle. Then Freda leaves the fish on the sand, and why do you know? Because when the fish goes in the ocean water, it becomes wet, right? Or she leaves her fish to dry on the sand. Felix decorates his castle with shells, with 2 shells. And Freda have 4 towers. On each tower, she put a flag on it. Leo put on his slippers and swimming ring and called to Freda and Fabio to come to swimming and said, Freda, Fabio, come to swimming now. I will go to swimming. Then Freda was looking here and there. Suddenly, she saw her fish is being small and small. Why do you know? One mouse came and he put a hole in it, and the air came out and the sound came. This is the story of letter F. Let's spot some picture of letter F. Capital F and small f. Flag. Fin. Do you see? The man is floating. Fish. Fruits. Flowers. A big fish. The air is coming out from it, and the sound is coming. Now it's time for F letter action. Suppose we have a floating fish, and we go to the beach with that floating fish, and it got a hole and air is going out. Then make a sound. This is the action of letter F. Now it's time for letter F song. My friends and me went to the French beach with my floating fish. It got a hole and air came out. Shall I repeat? Okay. My friends and me went to the beach with my floating fish. It got a hole and air came out. Now it's time for F letter formation. Now look here. This is red line, this is dotted blue line, this is blue line. Now start from the red line and go to the blue line and make a standing line. And then lift your hand. And then start again from red line and make little big slip-in line. Now start from here, from dotted blue line, and make a smaller slip-in line like this. This is Mama F letter. Now I will show you how to write baby F letter. Make a small curvy curve, very small like this, and then make a standing line. Then again make small curvy curve. Then lift your hands, friends, and make a sleeping line. This is small F letter. Now it's time for F letter, friends. F for flower. Flower, flower, flower. F for frog. Frog, frog, frog. F for fish. Fish, fish, fish. F for flamingo. Flamingo, flamingo, flamingo. F for fox. Fox, fox, fox. F for flag. Flag, flag, flag. F for feather. Feather, feather, feather. F for fire. Fire, fire, fire. F for fence. Fence, fence, fence. F for fork. Fork, fork, fork. Thanks for watching my video.